Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Puddn'head knot. We're taking another playbook out of Mark Twain's classics. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to put this at my belt line here. We're going to put it over here to the center, bring it around here like so. We're going to come around like this. We're going to do 1 and 2. We're going to come up here like this. Then I'm going to come around, not in the mouth, but I'm going to come around like so, and then wrap it around like this, and then do that again, then come underneath here like that. So that's what I have so far. I'm going to come down here like so. And this tie is coming apart here, as you can see, so we definitely don't want to risk that anymore. And I'm just going to come back and come down around here like this. So then I'm going to do this down here. I'm going to put my collar down, and then I'm just going to kind of adjust this up. There you have the Puddn'head, again named after another Mark Twain literary classic. We're doing literary works here for not names. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. See you in the next video. Again, follow me on Stylish Leadership as well. Peace and God bless.